a nice day with my fishy crackers. Huh. I think Sonic just knocked on the door. I don't know what to do today. Oh, the sun. It looked like something out there. Well, that was scary. Well, I don't know what to do at all. Well, at least I made myself. Hello.
No.
Let's go see. It can't be that bad. Is it? Doesn't seem that bad outside. Just looks rainy. With even more rain.
Tails? What's wrong with Tails? Tails, are you okay?
Yeah, I think Sonic.
Tails, what's the matter?
I'm scared at that noise outside.
What noise? You're just scared of a little thunder, are you?
Yeah, Sonic, can you make it stop?
No. I can't control the weather.
Well, can you sleep with me?
Yeah. I guess so I can lay with you. Well, good night, Tails.
Good night, Sonic.